Day 4, quick break. Beginning of a trail family here. And now we're headed up that way. True to form, on the AT, and we got rain. Check out this view. Wanted to see what the weather would be like out here. There's a bunch of fog. Gunther and I are trudging through right now, and some rain. So yeah, check that out. Got its own beauty.
Your YouTube site.
So now it's recording.
You got a YouTube site?
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
And get my husband on it because then he can see all of
all the stuff that's going on.
Yeah,
Nice. Yeah. These are a bunch of the people that I've met so far. Fantastic. Yeah. Hey. And this is our first trail magic side right here. By this lovely lady here. Monarch, that's her name.
Hi.
Hey.
Yes, I'm Monarch. And Zobi, come here.
And Zobi.
Zobi.
Hello, Zobi.
Yeah.
Aw.
Zobi. We threw hike last year in 2022.
Yeah.
So we are paying it forward. We got so much trail magic, it was ridiculous.
That's awesome.
So we want to help out this year's hikers.
This is fantastic, by the way. Look at this. We got
More
waffles, we had sausage and eggs and coffee.
Cooking.
That's fantastic. And you said you had a book out too, right?
Yes, I wrote a book on Zobi's adventures.
Zobi's
Yes.
adventures.
He read it, so he's very excited to
Did you like it,
meet the
Gunther?
real life Zobi.
Yeah?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I actually have the book. I have a couple of copies on me. I'm going into my friend's classroom, my friend's kids' classroom. Their whole class is reading it.
That's
In
awesome.
Atlanta. So I'm going into the class on Friday with the book. So the books that I have to take with me, but I'll have more along the trail. So.
That's fantastic.
Or you can order it on Amazon and read the ebook while you're hiking.
Oh, that's even better.
Oh
Get
yeah,
that
if anyone needs
ebook.
to charge their devices, I have a
really paying as much as charge I should.
Hopefully you can actually see me. The lens is a little wet on both sides, so it might got a little bubble to it, but that's because it's been raining pretty much the entire time. On day 4, probably about a mile and a half away from where I'm gonna stop for the night at Jared, and then tomorrow I'll hike into town for Neil's Gap. We're going to tweak some of my equipment and then stay the night and head out the next day. But as you can see, it is a sloppy mess around here. Just a bunch of mud, a bunch of water and rain. But as they say, embrace the suck. Can't really appreciate the good times without the bad. So, this is one of the bad times. No. Until I get to the top. Well, here we are. We're at Jared, and we are camped out for the rest of the day. It's only like 5:32, but because it is raining pretty good out there. I don't know if you can see all that, but you can see as well. Yeah, hammock's all set up. I got to kind of do a little stretching out down here before I decide to climb into here with some dry clothes. And yeah, and here we are, all cozy in here. We'll hang out for a bit, and tomorrow, Neil's Gap.